Hi, it's Carola. I'm going to Versailles today and I'm super excited. Before 1661, this was just a little hunting lodge, and then Louis XIV started building it into the castle it is now. The first tent you see is where all the bags are checked, and after that, after the first fence, there's a long queue for people who already have tickets. You need to bring your good shoes. Without even trying, I did 6 kilometers this today, just by going through the castle and a little bit of the garden, not even that far. Food is not allowed inside, and if you want to bring something to drink, make sure that it's clear, like water. So if you don't have a ticket yet, don't get into the line, but go into that building over there that largely says tickets, billets. If you can find a way, then get your tickets beforehand and not on the day. And once you have your tickets, then you can get into the line. If the line is short, get an audio guide, even if you're not planning on using it. And otherwise, you can download the app. Louis XIV was very extroverted and he loved showing off. He loved showing every detail of his life, and so he would have made a good YouTuber. So he loved having people around from morning to night and handing him things like the chamber pot or his nightgown. The next king, Louis XV, was his great-grandson, and he was into science and he was very shy. And he was also 5 years old when he started being king. Big shoes to fill, and he hated it. He built his private apartments where not everybody could go, and he reduced the eating in public ceremonies and others a little bit. When you enter the official rooms, look for the hidden doors. Try to find the hidden door in this room. My favorite room is the Hall of Mirrors. So this is the balcony that Marie Antoinette stood on when she was bowing to the crowd that was right down there. It didn't help her. And I'm super excited because finally, after over a year of renovations, the bedroom of the Queen will be open. So even though I have been to Versailles 18 times already before, and this is my 19th time, I have not seen the bedroom of the Queen because it had always been in renovation at that point. And here it is. It has been renovated for the last 1.5 years, so I have never seen it before. The story behind that picture is that her 4th child died before the painting was finished, so now the brother is pointing to an empty crib. Once you're finished with the castle, go over to the gardens. I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye!